How to download Blockman Go. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to download Blockman Go. Downloading Blockman Go is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open Google Play Store on your mobile device. Locate and tap on the Google Play Store. Search for Blockman Go. In the search bar, type Blockman Go and press enter. Select the game. Find Blockman Go in the search result. It should be published by Blockman Go Studio. Download the game. Tap on the install button. The game will begin downloading and installing on your device. Blockman Go is a multiplayer sandbox game that allows players to create, explore and share their own mini-games. It features a blocky art style similar to Minecraft, offering a variety of game modes including Battle Royale, Parkour and role-playing games. Open the game. Once installed, you can open the game directly from the Play Store by tapping Open, or you can find the Blockman Go icon on your home screen or app drawer. And there you go, it's done. That's how you can download Blockman Go. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.